What is up? Me and Sydney are out in Vermont trying to hike Mount Roosevelt and Mount Wilson. We will see what we can do. It's starting to snow. The weather's not supposed to be great. We're not here for the glory. So if we have to turn around, we will, but we're gonna do some truck camping tonight. And we're gonna do some skiing tomorrow in the Powder. Reason why we might not summit is we started a little late and we are the first ones on the trail, except for Mr. Moose here. Here's some moose tracks, which is pretty sick. We're in like the top third of Vermont. I don't remember what town it is. But you definitely can't underestimate Vermont's weather, especially if it's, what is it? What month are we in? March. It's late season, but there's a nor'easter coming and we're supposed to get a shit ton of snow. It's already starting to snow. So we're gonna be safe. We're gonna be smart. We might not summit. We might summit. You never know. You're gonna find out. We will see. Use this log to cross the river. We gotta cross it up here somewhere. And we will see how Sydney does on the river crossing. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Oh! This side kind of is, but you're good. Good luck making it over there. It's steep. You're gonna slide around. You wanna use my pole? Since yours are in your bag? Just take one quick step and then step right where I did. Now step, go for it. Just send it. You're good. Keep going, keep moving. You're good. Yeah, you're good. Your boots are good. You can take a step right there and then step right up and just keep moving. Yeah. What?
What's the hole?
We're almost out of the river. And we're out of the river. Breaking trail is not always easy. I'm sure some of you know that. It's a lot more work. I think this is like 8 miles out and back, something like that. Yeah. It's just one trail, so it's not going to be any crazy navigation or nothing. There's a split between the two mountains. I think it's Mount Roosevelt's the better of the two, so if we end up there any later than we should, probably just do Mount Roosevelt. And yeah. It's a beautiful day, right, Sid? Right, she says. The bread loaf, dude, I love that. That's so awesome. You are here. And, wow. Oh. The long trail. That's a life goal one day. Maybe. Probably not. It's too long. What? Why would I do such a thing? Whew. It's a lot of work breaking trail. We've been sharing the trail with a coyote on and off. His tracks are probably from a couple days ago. He looks big from his tracks. And now seeing his poop, he's definitely pretty big. That is pretty fucking big for a coyote. The shits that I see back home are usually about the size of my finger. I'd like to see the boy. Sid doesn't want to see him at all. But they're scared of humans. He would run unless I break Sid's leg or something and leave her for bait. Well, it's beautiful out. We're a little over halfway. It's a lot of work trudging, breaking trail, but are we gonna do it?
Yes.
You think?
I hope.
Do you? And we'll see. It's snowing still. It's not snowing that hard, but it is snowing. Here's his tracks. They are pretty big for a dog that lives in the woods. And we're pretty far out there. There's not much around as far as houses, but man, he's a big boy. I saw a coyote yesterday on a road bike ride and I thought he was big. There's no way he's this big. I want to see him. What, are you struggling?
Huh?
You struggling?
A little bit.
Yeah. It's the rough country out here. Sturdy. We're like, I don't know, a little more of 3/4 of the way up, and we are both exhausted. It's gonna be a fucking walk down. Yeah, look at her. Don't be underestimated. Sid is an animal hiker. We've done some shit together. Definitely done some shit. This is just tiring, and Mr. Coyote is still using the trail here. As you can see. Just want to know, is he alone? I haven't seen any other tracks smaller. Lone coyote. Lone coyote, and what is it? The coyote and the road runner? You're the road runner. The road runner.
Me?
Yeah, the one he's chasing and trying to eat.
I don't know. Oh.
Imagine that was your hair in that big old poop.
Oh yeah. Why?
You'd be the sacrifice.
Oh, stop it.
You'd be the sacrifice. Take you out at the knees, and I get away. That's why I like to hike with a partner. Well, this is where I tried to step, and this is where I ended up. I'm in like 3 feet of snow right now. I know, this is not easy. The trail is extremely poorly marked. There was like a trail log at the bottom. The last person that hiked this trail was January. We're probably only like 100 yards away from the long trail, which maybe someone's been on that. I don't know, this is getting pretty struggle. And we got like 3 hours of daylight left. I'm not too worried about being out here in the dark. We got a good trail to follow. I don't think it's gonna snow enough where our tracks get buried. What do you say?
I don't know.
You don't know?
If you can get up this, then okay. But if not,
I know it's steep.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we'll keep trying. We'll make it. Fucking Christ. Well, we made it to where the Clark Brook Trail meets the Long Trail. Even though it doesn't look like anybody's been here in a while. It looks like it's going to be easier trekking anyways. There should be a ridge line. And from when I looked at the map, it's not much more elevation gain. So we'll go check out Mount Roosevelt. How's that? That's the only one with a view. What's the other one?
Mount Wilson.
Mount Wilson is further.
Mount Roosevelt.
Than Mount Roosevelt. Yeah, we are smoked. It is fucking beautiful up here. Right? Right, she says. And we're in a little predicament. What's the matter, Sydney?
The bag is stuck.
Your bag got stuck in your snowshoe. Oh.
Hold on, I can't stand up.
Get your shoes planted. Hurry up! Come on! Are you gonna use your feet or?
No, I actually can't. Hold on.
Oh my lord!
I actually can't get up.
Wow, look at you.
So,
I know, I see that. Jesus.
Okay.
All right, onward. Here's a fun little section. Little crawl under spot. Gotta remove the pack. Pretty cool. Sid did it perfectly. Nice job, Sydney. Proud of you. Oh,
Are you okay?
this shit's deep. It's like 3 feet deep even right here. That is how you crawl under something. Maybe, I don't know. Someone would laugh, I'm sure. Whew. Woo-hoo! Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Right? Well, hell yeah. That is what I'm talking about. That was a good one. That was a good fucking hike. Yes. You probably can't even hear us because of goddamn wind. Ow! We're definitely not getting back before dark. That's okay. Right, Sid? Doing a little snowshoe skiing. Woo! Woo-hoo! Glove probably was in the way. Do a little skiing through the powder. Oh, maybe not. Ew. All right. There's the road. There's the trailhead sign. Yeah, girl. We made it. Well, that was challenging. A workout. Feels great, right? Sid feels like shit. She's hungry. We didn't bring too much food. We just brought granola bars. Now I'm gonna take an ice bath. You gonna come in the river, Sid?
Maybe.
No, you won't.
Probably not.
Yeah, yes, you won't. There's these creepy, like, old abandoned buildings here. You want to camp in that thing tonight? You wouldn't camp in that? Look, there's somebody in it. Wow. You know what I was just thinking? All right, it's a freaking mess back here right now. Sydney's all snuggled up. But I'll have to do another video on the back of my truck. I didn't really feel like going into the layout. So this is just the top half. The bottom half's all the storage, the drawer, the fridge, the big grill. We're cooking up a little dinner. We went and got a little drinky poo. And so this is how I cook in here when it's dumping snow out like it is. We're at Killington Mountain Resort in Vermont. We're gonna go snowboarding in the powder. Got the ventilation fan right there that I kind of custom made. With some ductwork, got some storage up here, some storage there. I got solar on the top, so that controls that. Turns the lights off here, the fan off there, water pump. Got running water. I use that as a heater sometimes. I don't really like that thing. I need a diesel heater. But yeah, we will see y'all in the morning. There's Sydney, struggling in the powder. That's all right. What a day though, to be on the mountain snowboarding. We're both tired from yesterday. Sid's trying to figure out the powder. It is glorious though. Look at that track. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Well, have fun everybody, stay safe. Get out there, do something. Thanks for watching.